Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to factorize the equation 5 times x squared minus 40 times x plus 80. Today, we will walk you through each step of the factorization process to help you solve this equation. Let's get started. To factorize the equation 5x squared minus 40x plus 80, we begin by identifying the greatest common factor for all three terms. The common factor for 5x squared minus 40x and plus 80 is 5. We then divide each term in the equation by 5. This step transforms the expression into 5 times the quantity x squared minus 8x plus 16. By factoring out the greatest common factor, we have simplified the equation into a more manageable form. Next, we will factorize the expression x squared minus 8x plus 16. We are looking for two binomials that multiply to give us the expression x squared minus 8x plus 16. The middle term minus 8x is obtained by adding two numbers that multiply to give the constant term 16. Those numbers are minus 4 and minus 4 because minus 4 plus minus 4 equals minus 8 and minus 4 times minus 4 equals 16. Therefore, the expression x squared minus 8x plus 16 can be written as x minus 4 times x minus 4. This step shows that the quadratic expression can be written as the square of a binomial. So, the final factorized form of 5x squared minus 40x plus 80 is 5 times the square of x minus 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.